In this video, you'll learn how to create and manage a menu for your restaurant so you can showcase your food online and start attracting more customers. Here are 3 tips before we get started. First, show off your food with high-quality images so customers can get a mental image of how tasty it is. Second, create a menu that's easy to navigate so customers can easily find what they're looking for. Finally, make sure your menu is always up to date. Let's start building the menu right from your dashboard. Go to Restaurants and select Menus to begin. You have 2 options to get started. Choose the default menu and customize it, or create a new one. Give your menu a name and a description. Now let's set up the menu structure. Every menu is made up of sections like appetizers, entrees, and desserts. Click New Section. Add an image if you like to give it some character, name your section, and use the description to highlight what makes your dishes so amazing. Now start adding all of your dishes to the menu. Add an image, along with the name and description, where you can include ingredients, dietary notes, and more. Now add the price of the dish. You can also give the dish labels to indicate if it's vegan, gluten-free, or the level of spiciness. Use the visibility and inventory checkboxes to show or hide dishes. Add the dish when you're done to save it. Once your first dish is saved, you can add more dish options by selecting New Option. This lets customers choose additional options for their dish. You can add a single choice, like size or flavor, multiple choices, like sides or toppings, or allow customers to remove ingredients from their dish. Just select which type of option you would like to add and give it a name and price if needed. To add additional options, click New Choice. Once a dish is created, you have a couple more options, like choose to duplicate or temporarily hide a dish, mark it as sold out, or archive it. And we're ready. Our first menu is all set up. Let's see how it looks on the menu's homepage. Start from scratch or hover over the 3 dots right here to duplicate the menu you already created and change it as you need. Remember, you can create as many menus as you want for any occasion or event. Over here, you can use the dashboard sidebar to easily navigate through all of your menus, sections, and dishes. Before you publish your site, give it a once-over to make sure that everything looks good. Research shows that 75% of Wix restaurant menus are opened on mobile, and that means your menu has to look great on mobile too. So make sure to preview the mobile version and make adjustments where needed. Finally, publish your site and start sharing your amazing menu with the world. And that's it. Now you know how to create a beautiful online menu that showcases your dishes.